This a shit coffee.
Shit coffee. Thank you. Good morning, morning face and all. We did make it to our villa here in Bali. We had every intention of showing you guys around the villa, but by the time we got here it was kind of dark. But also we got some bad news just shortly after we arrived, that Lacey's grandmother, that she was extremely close with, unexpectedly passed away. Needless to say, we just kind of took that time to ourselves. And we talked about it, and her grandmother wouldn't have wanted us to sit around and sulk. She's actually been known to say that she wants her funeral to be a party, and she wants everybody to crank up the song Spirit in the Sky, which I think is awesome. So we are going to do what we can from here to make her wishes come true, and we're gonna party and have a good time and enjoy ourselves in this beautiful place. All right, so the time is upon us. It is about 9 a.m. and our driver for the day is here to take us around. Fun little fact about being here in Bali: for about $40 a day, $35 a day, you can have a driver take you anywhere you want to go. So we hired a driver for $35 or $40 a day, and he will take us for 12 hours. This is Ashley. Say hi to Ashley.
Hi to Ashley.
There you go. You did. You said it right. That's how you're supposed to do it. Hello.
Hello. Morning.
What's your name?
Katit.
Katit?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. When you have two families in one vehicle, including 4 kids, I anticipate much more screaming. So we just rolled up, and people are taking pictures of the Americans. Hey, do you think they watch our vlogs?
I bet they do.
All right, so I'm not a complainer by any means. I try to be the eternal optimist. But the one thing that we have all, I guess, underestimated is the amount of traffic here. So we spent the last hour and 40 minutes. We probably only made it about 15 miles if I had to guess. No idea how much further we need to go, but everybody's bladders got the best of them. So we pulled over at this gas station to let everybody use the restroom. This vacation was a little unique for me in the sense that I told Lacey, I was like, look, I just want to go to Bali. So far I'm loving it, it's really cool, but I let Lacey do all of the planning for it. She coordinated this with our drivers that are going to be driving us around every day, so I'm just along for the ride and here to take video footage and stuff like that. I really don't know where we're going. I think today something about a waterfall, something about some rice fields. So either way, really excited, but not exactly sure where we're going. Just going with the flow. Feel better, buddy? You ready to go sit in some more traffic? Then go see some stuff? Okay, let's do this. So, after a lot of traffic, 3 hours and 15 minutes later, we have arrived at the waterfall here in central Bali, I believe. Hey, you happy to be here?
Yeah.
Tell me about the journey here.
It was fun.
I'm gonna go show you the waterfall. This is one of it pouring down. This is the one of it pouring down too, and this is the one of that taking it down.
So those are all pictures of the waterfall pouring down?
Pouring down right now.
Thank you, tour guide. coming, hiking out of here. And a whole bunch of people up top on radios and stuff. And right where I was just swimming, there's some signs that say do not swim behind the waterfall. Well, apparently somebody did, and somebody just died down there like a couple minutes ago. Like right here, right after we were all in there. That's heavy. So the crew, the people that work here are currently working to just find a way to get the body out of here. So, man, bummer. I don't know anything else than that, but it's wildly heavy. Wildly heavy. Alright, so we are here at the Kopi Luwak coffee plantation. If you don't know anything about Kopi Luwak,
Kopi Luwak is the world's most expensive coffee. In the Sumatran village where the beans are grown lives a breed of wild tree cat. These cats eat the beans, digest them, and then defecate. It is the combination of the beans and the gastric juices of the tree cat that give Kopi Luwak its unique flavor and aroma.
and then they serve it as regular coffee. Most expensive coffee in the entire world. We are here, and I'll be honest, I love Starbucks. I don't know why I need to eat poop-covered coffee to call this a complete experience, but hey, it's an experience nonetheless.
This is the actual turd.
Why would you touch that?
I don't know. Why not? Hashtag YOLO. She said it was a coffee.
This is a Balinesian coffee maker right here. We have Keurigs, they have this guy. Oh, is he gonna make some coffee? Oh, I thought he was gonna squat and make some coffee. It's a busy little guy. He's all hopped up on caffeine.
Is this the Luwak coffee?
Yeah.
What kind of coffee is that?
This shit coffee.
Shit coffee. Thank you. Thank you. Looking forward to it. Alright, so we are here at the coffee plantation. They've given us some of the Kopi Luwak coffee. That's what I thought it was always called, but she's told us several times that it is the shit coffee. In 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
After cheersing, I will say it is a murky brew.
Dark and murky brew. Spin to the depths.
It's a bit nutty.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
dancing?
Stuff's pretty steep. I think this is about a half a pound. That's about... I've had some expensive coffee, but thank you so much. Bye-bye. Yeah, I've had Jamaican Blue Mountain. I've had 100% pure Kona. That is the most expensive and the least impressive. So, God, I feel like everything we're doing in these videos right now is totally negative, and that's not us. But people are dying. Coffee is like actually contains fecal matter. Matt's getting sicker by the second. So I'm trying to put a positive light on everything. We just left the rice terraces here. Really, really cool. I've been wanting to see it and obviously get the drone footage you just saw for a long, long time. And I will say,
from the air, it's just, as you saw, it's just kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime vantage point. So we totally did it. Flew the drone. Nobody cared at all, not even a tiny bit. Like, I expected somebody to, like, you know, turn their head or something at least, but they just went about their merry day, and which is awesome. So I will continue to break the law, or whatever it is I'm doing here, to continue to bring you aerial photography of beautiful Bali.